Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenny for those of you who do not know me. I'm a pole instructor and a performer. I like to dance, I like to practice flexibility, and I love floor work. So I'm really excited to bring you this video today. In today's video, we will be doing heel clacks or straddle clacks to the floor, and I'll show you some conditioning tips or flexibility tips that can help you achieve that goal. Stay tuned. Before we get started, check out my warm-up routine so you're nice and warm and ready to go and practice your straddle clacks. Here are some stretching and conditioning exercises I like to do to prepare for my straddle clacks. Feel free to use them and possibly add your own. And happy stretching! hopefully you followed along with my warm-up routine and then you did the little added exercises after. Of course, there's plenty of more conditioning exercises you can do, but those are just some I like to do to warm up for this trick specifically, okay? So now will be a great time to grab your heels, so let's go grab them. Okay, so the heels have been grabbed. Heels on, yay! So right now I'm wearing 9-inch heels, just because I feel like it's a little bit easier to reach the floor, especially if you don't have the flexibility yet. You can kind of fake it. So I'll show you a couple of ways that you can fake the straddle clack. So this is definitely one of them, having higher heels, okay? Trick number 2, when you go for your clack, try flexing at the ankles. So usually you can keep your toes pointed and clack, but if you flex, it gives you a little bit more room to go to the floor. Okay. So what happens next? Now you're ready for your clack. If you do not reach the floor the first time or your hips come off the floor, it's fine. The more you practice it, the easier it will become, okay? So for me, a couple of times, I'll probably end up having my hips off of the floor. You want to keep your hands in a safe place. So by your side, on your chest, on your stomach, on your knees, in between your legs, okay? Because you don't want to accidentally hit your hand, right? So from here, what happens, I pike my legs up, and then I open to a V, and then clap. So real time, and then again. Let's try it a little bit slower. See how I flex? Both platforms are on the floor right now. My hips are slightly lifted, but it's okay. And then bring it up. If you want to add a little extra flair, so what happens there, you clap together at the top, internally rotate your knees, bend, clap at the bottom of the diamond, right? Extend to your V, flex, clap into your straddle. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.